Alright, in this video, I'm going to give you a great exercise that's going to help you build strength on one leg, build up those muscles, and it's going to help you develop the skills to chain multiple difficult turns together when you don't have a push and you have to stay on the same leg the whole time. So the exercise is going to look like this. You're going to do a twizzle, change of edge, twizzle, and then change of edge straight away again, twizzle again, change of edge, and you're just going to go down the ice like so. Okay, now this one, when you keep going down ice, eventually your leg is going to be burning, it's going to be screaming, you're going to want to stop, but you have to just keep going. Now, the key thing is that after this twizzle, you have to bend, you have to get pressure into the ice, and you have to get some drive out of the ice like that, okay? So the idea is you twizzle, your shoulders will either back towards a circle you're going around, you're going to stretch back, but as you change circles, you're going to change your shoulders. So my back is now facing the new circle I'm going around because I've changed circles. So here, leg in front, change, twizzle. Notice when I bring the leg in front, I'm not open here. If I'm open here, how am I going to get the rotation? I've left the leg out here. It's going to be hard to bring it around. So when the leg comes back in front, it comes in front but pushing over the tracing this way. That's going to allow me to generate a little bit more snap in the twizzle like that. I get moving. And then you come to this edge, which for some people can be the easy one to generate speed, which is you come in a cross under position, change edge, leg in front to get another twizzle on and back to forward. And it's the same idea. Look, I come out, back to the circle, as I change circle, back to the new circle. And the free leg is going to do the same. On the inside, behind, in front, twizzle. And this one, you want to make sure that you don't leave the free leg a little bit too much there because you're going to struggle to get some snap in the twizzle. So I'm here, position the hip a little back there to then snap in and get the rotation. So a key thing to make this exercise work for you is knee action. Look, down, up, change edge, down, twizzle. Down, up, change edge, down, twizzle. You have to keep this knee action going. One of the best exercises you can practice to help with this is your basic backward slams. Down, up, down, up, down, up. You see, if you can do this and generate some speed, and if you can do a twizzle, you'll be able to do this exercise. It'll feel awkward at first until you get the coordination, but with practice you will get there, and eventually you'll see that this is a fantastic exercise. All right, so the final thing I want to talk about in this exercise is your body position. You want to be straight up and over it like this. You don't want to be here as you turn and sending your body weight out because you're going to find the twizzle really hard. So like all twizzles, you're completely up and over it, which means when I do my change of edge, look, I'm sat over it, turn, and I'm still completely over it. I don't come out of the twizzle and leave my body weight here. I just can't do anything else. My body weight stays over it, and look, as I go back, my body weight is completely over while I'm going. That is going to help you no end, and you should finish. Okay, so just bear in mind where you put your hand position. Just make it look nice. Arms can be by the side. You can have one in front, you can have the other one in front. Arms in front, arms overhead. You can put them behind your back if you like, but what I don't want to see is you're twizzling and you're kind of doing something like this, trying to change and something like that, you know, funny things like this, because it's not going to look very good. It's going to throw your balance off. So make sure, strong core, good balance, nice arms to finish it off.